Can I actually use the radio together with the
CarPlay? Can?
CarPlay? Oh, okay.
You try radio.
Okay.
Just select any. Okay, this one. So then you go.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Great. It works. Okay. Yeah, my mom wants radio sometimes. she complains that
Old school. It's okay.
Yeah.
We understand.
She complains that I cannot turn it on and on. Oh, okay.
我准备好进入下一段关系了。那这样子的话，对新的路途。Start recording. Start recording.
Seek track, right?
If you want to seek track, this is.
Oh, okay. This one actually still adjusts the the frequency. I see. Okay. Then let's go to the. Oh, okay. So I have to connect my Bluetooth first.
Correct. Yes.
How do I do that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You find it?
This device name is DMX. No, I don't see it. Oh, okay, see it now.
Okay. Enable CarPlay, yes.
That's it. Ah, okay. So we got your. I see. Oh, okay. Oh, right. That works. Okay.
You look like you used before, huh? CarPlay.
Use my friend's one.
Okay. Right.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So wireless seems okay already. Alright. Okay, keyboard is like this. Okay. This is good. Oh, okay. How do I go back to? Oh, okay, Kenwood, right?
Yes.
Can I actually use the radio together with the
CarPlay? Can?
CarPlay? Oh, okay.
You try radio.
Okay.
Just select any. Okay, this one. So then you go.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Great. It works. Okay. Yeah, my mom wants radio sometimes. she complains that
Old school. It's okay.
Yeah.
We understand.
She complains that I cannot turn it on and on. Oh, okay. Okay, I can test it, bro. It's okay. Okay, is there anything else? How about this? Can I test? Okay, that's the Siri. Okay.
Yep. Reverse camera.
Siri, let me know if I can help.
Okay. Okay. everything is still the standard lah. Okay. Alright.